Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into your Spotify account and verify your current plan and payment method. Once signed in, go to Settings or Account Overview. This ensures you upgrade the right profile. If you use two-factor authentication, have the code ready. Make sure your payment card or PayPal is up to date so the charge won't fail. Now that everything is verified, navigate to Plans or Change Plan to begin the actual upgrade process. Next, you choose the plan that fits your needs and budget. Compare features and price. Family allows multiple accounts, student offers discounts, so pick deliberately. Once you select a plan, follow prompts to enter or confirm payment details and billing cycle. Spotify shows the next billing date and any prorated charges. Read terms briefly and accept them, because this authorizes recurring payments. After you confirm, Spotify processes the upgrade. Finish by verifying the upgrade. Check your account overview and the confirmation email for plan name and billing date. If the new plan doesn't appear, first refresh the page or log out and back in. This often forces a sync. If payment failed, update your card details or try PayPal. Failed payments are the most common issue. If problems persist, reinstall the app or contact Spotify support and keep screenshots of errors to speed up resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.